How to transfer Starbucks money to bank. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, simply search for starbucks.com. It will land you on this official page of Starbucks. Once you're in here, at the top right corner, you can see the option of sign in. Click on it. Now enter your login credentials, as in your username or email address and the password of your account that you have created before. Once you have entered, click on sign in and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, you have to select the request cash out option. And now enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. You have to make sure that you have linked your credit card or debit card. Now select the credit card or the debit card where you want to transfer the amount and then click on submit. After that, you will be notified that the money has been transferred to the bank account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can transfer Starbucks money to bank account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.